vertical tabs view, and I would like to introduce you to some of the features that I have developed. So you can open vertical tabs view either by going to your extensions. I definitely recommend you to pin it so that you can easily access it. But there's also a very handy shortcut. You can just hit Command-Shift-K and then it's going to open up. Here you can start by searching for any tab that you have open. So for example, I know that I have YouTube, so I can just look for YouTube here, or Spotify. This is very useful. It makes it very easy to find whatever it is that you want to find, especially when you have dozens or for some people hundreds of tabs open. You can also navigate through your tabs by hitting tab, which is again very useful. And you can hit enter to navigate to that one specific tab, or you can actually close that tab by just hitting X. So for example, here, let's say I want to close this this Amazon tab here, I can just hit X and then it's going to go away. Obviously, you can also just click the close button in here. Another thing that is very useful is to be able to sort your tabs by the last time that you're active. This is very, very useful because sometimes you have a bunch of things open and then you don't know why they're even there. So usually when I see something here that says that it has been last interacted with 2 days ago, then I know that I can just close it because I probably don't care about it anymore. Another thing that is extremely useful is to be able to find your duplicate tabs. So as you can see here, I have an extensions tab open. Let me duplicate it by on purpose so that we can see how it's then gonna look like. So now, as you can see, it tells me that I have 2 duplicates tab here. I can highlight them and I can remove the duplicates. So that's certainly very useful. It's also super useful to sort your tabs by title or by website. This way you can also easily spot if you have, let's say, too many YouTube's tab open, or if you have duplicates and you want to take care of them yourself. So these are the main features for vertical tabs view. The whole idea is that it's simple and straightforward. Please let me know if you have any feedback. I would be more than glad to address them.